On this version of the Alberto Esquivel experience, we were looking into the stupidest detainment effort from the Immigration Customs Enforcement on a Saturday. That's right, folks, old Johnny Boy is still releasing the hounds toward the end of this year for basically a lot of people. The crime was standing on the corner of a Baskin Robbins at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. So who's the unlucky victim of Toronto Dump's year-long social experiment this time? According to sources, a Jamaican-born man just by the name of Godfrey Wade was pulled over at a traffic light in Georgia for negotiating the use of his turn signal. The only offense besides that was the fact that he has no license. Get this, he has lived in this nation for 50 years. Hold on. Yeah. Why does it just draw this? Anyway, he has lived in this nation for 50 years since he came on at 15 years old and served in the United States military for 8 years before his honorable discharge in 92. So that means he fought for us ungrateful schmucks like before he came along to the hands of the human version of fried chicken dipped in mustard. Yeah. Redundant playground insults aside, not having a license in Dumps America means no protection from deportation is gonna save him from being nabbed up by the Cubes apparently. Even before the 45th president came into office once again in January this year, because he can't be the next president, he was president one time. ICE arrested 78 citizens in California and 538 citizens across the country 3 days after his inauguration, capping that month at 616 citizens total. They've been making the rounds each month from individuals with little or no criminal records to local businesses and business chains to your child's birthday party. Yes, they do unfortunately follow Malcolm X's motto. That man is a legend, so it's safe to say he's long in his grave. Three months back, the biggest thing ICE was told to worry about in Georgia is that a Hyundai plant, which unfortunately screwed up a portion of trust South Korea has in the United States, investment-wise. South Korea, on behalf of the United States, despite my Cockney accent, I'd like to step up to the post and get my mouth behind that microphone to say, we're sorry. And to number 45, dearest, you get it, mate. You like your citizens Anglo. Happy New Year.